Step into a new dimension of digital interaction with Rokid AR Lite. Designed to merge convenience with cutting-edge spatial computing, these lightweight AR glasses pack serious capability into a sleek, travel-ready frame. With a 3 degrees of freedom system, Rokid AR Lite tracks your head orientation with precision, offering immersive control without the bulk of external sensors. Run 3 apps simultaneously and effortlessly multitask. Unlock the full potential of your citrus fruits with the Zule Extra Large Lemon Squeezer, a tool designed to maximize juice extraction with minimal effort. This efficient juicer features a grooved bowl that enhances the squeezing process, ensuring that every drop of juice is captured. Its built-in strainer catches seeds and pulp, delivering smooth, clean juice every time. The Logitech Combo Touch for iPad Pro is designed to enhance your experience with 4 distinct use modes, allowing seamless transitions between typing, sketching, viewing, and reading. The keyboard is fully detachable, offering flexibility when not in use, while the adjustable kickstand ensures up to 50 degrees of customizable viewing angles, making it ideal for any task. This keyboard case features a large click-anywhere trackpad, offering a responsive and reliable interface for navigation. When seasonal shifts bring stifling heat or stagnant air, the Tello Zet Circulator rises to the occasion. Engineered with a jet engine-inspired design, this powerhouse circulator blends aerodynamic form with dual BLDC fans to deliver unmatched air propulsion. From bedrooms to living rooms, and even spacious garages, it throws out a concentrated airflow that travels up to 65 feet, effortlessly refreshing large areas with precision. The dual fan system doesn't just cool, it purifies. When outdoor heat becomes relentless, a high-performance solution like this instant cooling vest is essential. Engineered with 2 high-speed fans, it delivers immediate airflow across your core, pushing hot air out and drawing cool relief in within seconds. Built for versatility, the vest features 3 precise cooling levels, letting you control your comfort whether you're working in the yard, hiking trails, or enduring a summer commute. Equipped with a robust 10,000 mAh power bank, it runs for hours without interruption. The Antank B08 power bank stands out as an essential tool for anyone in need of a high-capacity charging solution. With an impressive 25,000 mAh capacity, it provides enough power to keep multiple devices charged throughout the day, whether you're traveling, working, or enjoying outdoor activities. Its dual carrying options, including a convenient handle and a sleek design, make it easy to transport without sacrificing style or practicality. Introducing the amzn Zip, a compact powerhouse that brings entertainment to your fingertips anytime, anywhere. With its ultra-portable design, this device is incredibly lightweight, weighing no more than your phone, yet it's half the size. Whether you're on a road trip, relaxing at home, or on the go, the Zip is ready to deliver immersive experiences. The amzn Zip offers effortless access to entertainment without the need for accessories. It unfolds in seconds, offering a user-friendly experience with zero hassle. Compact and powerful, the Woobin E1 is designed to enhance your daily carry with advanced features and practicality. This EDC flashlight offers 300 lumens of bright focused light in a versatile small form factor. Whether you're illuminating a dark corner or using it for phone-related tasks, its magnetic MagSafe compatibility ensures a secure attachment to your device. The Woobin E1 isn't just a flashlight, it doubles as a phone stand, making it ideal for hands-free usage in various situations. Forget the hunt for the perfect pair of trees. With the Animaka portable hammock stand, you bring comfort wherever you set foot, be it sun-baked shores, rugged trails, or your own backyard. Designed to be as adventurous as you are, this stand unfolds into instant relaxation with its intuitive snap-fold system. In just seconds, you're lounging without tools, knots, or frustration. Whether you're reading under the sun or stargazing at night, you control your position with precision. step beyond conventional instruments with a design built for fluid creativity and portable performance. This is not just a tool, it's a gateway to musical spontaneity, where your touch becomes the music. Glide across the responsive fingerboard to arpeggiate, tap to unleash chords, or shift between 7 and 21 chord modes with precision. Every interaction is intuitive, with customizable mapping that lets you tailor the fingerboard to your playstyle. Few travel machines blur the boundaries between land, water, and shelter quite like the Triton. Born from a bold vision of eco-adventure, this 3-in-1 amphibious marvel merges the comforts of a microcamper with the mobility of an electric boat and trike. Designed to seat two and built to tread softly across terrain and tides, the Triton redefines how we connect with nature, silently, sustainably, and without limits. The Insta360 Link-to C4K webcam stands out as a premium choice for professional streaming, video calls, and gaming. Designed for both PC and Mac, it boasts a 1/2-inch sensor for exceptional clarity and detail. With 4K resolution, your broadcasts or video conferences are captured in stunning visual quality, whether you're working from home or streaming to an audience. One of its standout features is auto-framing, which intelligently adjusts the camera's position to keep you in focus even if you move. Cooking is an art, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Imagine a kitchen tool that takes the guesswork out of flavoring and makes every meal taste like it's been crafted by a professional chef. Enter Spicer, the smart flavoring device designed to elevate your culinary creations with ease. Spicer combines cutting-edge technology with cooking, allowing you to enhance the flavors of any dish effortlessly. Whether you're making a simple pasta or an elaborate steak, Spicer adds the perfect amount of seasoning, all with just the push of a button. The Ace Pro 2 Dual Battery Bundle is a high-performance action camera engineered for those seeking unparalleled video quality and functionality. Co-engineered with Leica, this camera delivers 8K video resolution, ensuring every moment is captured in crisp, stunning detail. Its 1/1.3-inch sensor excels in low-light environments, providing superior clarity even in dim settings. Designed with motorcyclists in mind, the Ace Pro 2 offers remarkable stabilization, capturing smooth footage regardless of the terrain or speed. No need to guess when your plants need water. LeafyPod does the thinking for you. This intelligent plant care system harnesses AI-powered smart watering to precisely deliver the right amount of hydration at the right time. Say goodbye to overwatering or parched roots. LeafyPod continuously monitors soil moisture, light intensity, temperature, and humidity in real time, adapting to your plant's evolving environment. When space matters and freshness is a priority, the Flexin Fresh V2 becomes your go-to solution. Designed with precision and functionality, this innovative container adapts effortlessly to all sizes of food and gadgets. Whether you're packing hearty meals, leftover pizza, or delicate fruit slices, its flexible lid stretches and seals to accommodate items up to 5 inches tall, locking in flavor and preserving texture. There's no need to settle for ordinary when you can grow smarter. This advanced indoor smart garden transforms your countertop into a precision-controlled growing zone. Its generous 21-pod tray nurtures leafy greens effortlessly, while a dedicated 2-pod grow tray accommodates larger plants like cherry tomatoes or peppers. The LED grow light system offers 8 brightness levels and reaches up to 30 inches high, paired with a 180-degree rotatable detachable light panel for maximum flexibility. Venturing off the beaten path should be exhilarating, not exhausting. Whether you're hiking steep ridgelines, traversing rocky forest trails, or powering through extended excursions, physical strain can limit the full potential of any adventure. That's where the Densi's X1 steps in, not just as an exosuit, but as a seamless extension of your strength and endurance. With a 1.2 horsepower output, this wearable powerhouse brings smooth, secure assistance for every motion. The Buxpalma 2 stands out with its sleek design and impressive features that cater to a modern user's needs. Equipped with a 6.13-inch HD Carta 1200 glass screen, this device ensures clear and sharp visuals with a resolution of 824 by 1648 and 300 ppi for an exceptional reading experience. The flat cover lens adds a premium touch, protecting the screen without compromising clarity. Set your audio free with the power to transform everyday surfaces into rich, resonant speakers. Godal redefines what portable sound means, packing a full-range vibration speaker into one of the smallest footprints available. Rather than relying on traditional cones or drivers, Godal uses advanced vibration sound transfer technology, channeling sound waves through wood, glass, metal, or plastic to fill your space with immersive 360-degree audio. Born from centuries of refinement in elite oral care, this tool reshapes modern hygiene with ancient precision. Forged from Yugi, a revered copper alloy used by traditional artisans, this tongue scraper ensures a clean, refreshed mouth every time. At 5.9 inches long and precision curved for optimal reach, it gently sweeps away buildup, revitalizing your breath and restoring balance to your oral ecosystem. This isn't mass-produced. It's handcrafted, designed with purpose and respect for time-honored wellness rituals. The JetBot Combo AI stands at the forefront of robotic cleaning innovation, blending advanced technology and user-friendly features to deliver exceptional cleaning performance. With its AI object recognition and 3D obstacle avoidance sensor, the JetBot Combo AI effectively identifies obstacles, ensuring it navigates around furniture, walls, and other objects with precision. This allows the robot to deep clean without damaging your surroundings. Banala Focus Dot offers a revolutionary approach to mental clarity and productivity. By utilizing advanced isochronic sound technology, this device helps to sharpen focus, boost concentration, and unlock your potential. Its powerful sound frequencies work seamlessly to enhance cognitive function, ensuring you remain in a highly productive state for longer periods. The device's compact design ensures portability, making it easy to integrate into your daily routine. The HandBoost C1, true wireless ultrasonic cutter for DIY makers, combines precision and versatility in one compact, powerful tool. Featuring ultrasonic technology, it operates at 40,000 vibrations per minute, allowing for clean cuts through various materials. This high-frequency cutter provides true wireless convenience, enabling you to work without the restrictions of cords, making it ideal for mobile or on-the-go tasks. No more huffing and puffing over steaming bowls or scorching sips. This tiny companion handles the cooling for you. Nekojita Fufu brings precision and charm to every meal with a whisper of technology. Slide it onto the rim of your cup or let it perch on your plate's edge, and within 3 minutes, your food or drink cools down to a comfortable temperature. Tested with 158 degrees Fahrenheit water, it performs like a breeze, literally. Its kitten-like paws grip dishware from 0.08 to 0.23 inches thick, adapting easily to mugs, bowls, and even ramen cups. Tough enough to travel and sharp enough to satisfy, the GKD Plus redefines what a retro handheld console can deliver. At just under 6 inches wide and 3 inches tall, it's small enough to slip into a jacket pocket, yet fully packed with serious gaming muscle. This compact powerhouse comes preloaded with over 2,500 classic games, spanning arcade legends, platformers, and vintage RPGs. CheerDots 2 redefines convenience and functionality with its innovative multifunctional design. This smart mouse seamlessly blends an Air Mouse, wireless touchpad, presentation pen, and recording pen into one compact device. Weighing only 70 grams, it's lightweight and portable, perfect for those who need to stay mobile. The ergonomic shape fits naturally in your hand, making it ideal for extended use without discomfort. The Air Mouse operates in two modes: desktop and air mode. With a blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, this drone offers a remarkable flight experience. Equipped with a wide-angle 4K HD Wi-Fi front lens and a high-definition optical flow lens at the bottom, users can easily switch camera angles for dynamic shots. Its 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, coupled with a 6-axis gyroscope, ensures stable flight, making it easier to control. When off-grid moments call for reliable power, the MoveSpeed Lite Pro 80,000 mAh power bank delivers with confidence. Designed to handle the demands of outdoor camping, road trips, and emergency backup situations, this 296 watt-hour portable power station provides a dependable 130 watt output. The digital display keeps users informed on real-time battery levels, voltage, and output performance, so there's no guesswork when charging critical gear. Precision meets versatility with this compact CNC machine tailored for ambitious creators. Designed with a generous 12.6 by 8.7-inch workspace, it allows users to handle big projects without compromising on space. Whether engraving hardwood, cutting soft metals, or shaping acrylic, this tool delivers with consistency and control. Built for portability, its frame folds neatly, optimizing your workspace whether you're crafting in a garage or setting up at a maker event. The Tiny Pump 2X is an essential outdoor tool designed for versatility and portability. Weighing a mere 96 grams, this compact 3-in-1 pump and camping lamp provides impressive performance with an air pressure capacity of up to 4 kilopascals and an airflow rate of 180 liters per minute. Its light and compact design make it an ideal choice for those looking to save space without sacrificing functionality. The Miku Pro contact-free breathing and sleep tracking monitor is a revolutionary solution for parents seeking to stay connected with their baby. This cutting-edge monitor offers real-time insights into your baby's breathing and sleep patterns, eliminating the need for invasive equipment. With the Miku Pro, you can monitor your baby's respiration rate right from your smartphone, without the need for wearables, wires, or special clothing. Late-night raids, open-world adventures, or split-screen duels, whatever your style, this gaming bed transforms your space into a true command center. Tailored for adults who refuse to compromise comfort or performance, this setup combines immersive tech, smart design, and bold aesthetics. Packed with features that matter, it includes a 32-inch HD TV built into the foot end, fully upgradable to a 43-inch 4K screen. Motorola's innovative approach to smartphones introduces a flexible device that redefines how we interact with technology. The phone is equipped with a highly adaptable OLED display, allowing it to bend and reshape to fit a variety of uses. This design doesn't just serve as a novelty, but offers practical applications.